Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the frame and camera so nothing drifts. Set manual exposure, focus, and white balance once, then do not change them. Once done, place your subject on a rigid surface and move it tiny amounts, 1 to 3 millimeters or degrees, so motion reads as smooth. Make sure to use onion skin or a reference overlay to line up the next pose against the previous one. This is how you prevent jitter and maintain consistent spacing between frames. Now focus on controlled movement and reliable capture. Use mechanical aids, sliders, armatures, or rigs, with measured increments and mark positions with tape or a ruler. That precision creates even spacing. Once done, shoot toward a higher frame density depending on smoothness you want. Aim for 12 to 24 frames per second and hold key poses longer to sell motion. Make sure lighting stays constant and use tethered capture or an intervalometer so each frame is recorded with identical timing and no accidental skipped frames. Finish by reviewing your sequence at the target frames per second and note any visible jumps or microshifts that break the illusion. If minor jitter remains, use motion blur simulation or optical flow frame blending sparingly to smooth transitions. Avoid overprocessing. If issues persist, troubleshoot physically. Stabilize the tripod, relock camera settings, and rebuild or tighten rig contact points where drift occurs. Make sure to reshoot the problematic segment with smaller increments rather than relying solely on digital fixes. This preserves natural motion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.